What's up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're going to be doing a little life recap as well as a yarn haul, so let's get started. Now, before I get too far into this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more crocheting content. Okay, so this is going to be a very brief recap, but the beginning of this month, almost last month, because today is the end of April, I had surgery, so I have not been super active on here, and I've just had a lot of health-related things going on. I'm fine, guys, don't worry, nothing too major, but just some health-related things going on, but I am back for more content and better than ever. On to the fun stuff. So as many of you guys know, Joann's is closing, which I am so sad about. It's going to be very difficult. I don't know where I'm gonna buy all my yarn because online is super expensive, and I don't really have any other options where I live. There's a Michaels and a Hobby Lobby, but the type of yarn I use, it's just, one, not always affordable at those two places, and two, they don't always have it. So that is a problem. So I figured, since, you know, Joann's is still open, and I think the one here is going to be open until the end of May, or at least mid-May, that I'm going to go stock up on as much yarn periodically as I can, even though, as you guys see, it's not like I need it, but you can never be too safe. So yarn is now 50% off, which is awesome. I love a good deal. So I picked myself up some acrylic rolls. I am still looking for cotton yarn, but I'll show you guys what I got. So for starters, I got myself a 5mm crochet hook. These are the ones with the bamboo base. Absolutely my favorite crochet hooks by far over any other type of crochet hook. They're just better. The jumbo rolls, love the color scheme, and I think I spent in total, I got 3 rolls of yarn in the yarn, the hook, for $15. So anyone who knows things about yarn's expensive, so this was a good deal. So we got this pink color. I'm definitely gonna make a tube top out of it. I will have a summer tube top pattern tutorial coming either today or tomorrow. Next, I got this giant roll of peachy colors. I don't know what has been up with me lately, but I'm really obsessed with this color scheme. I love it. I think it's so summery and so fun. Definitely gonna make some summer clothes out of that one. And then I don't know why I got this roll. The color, it's just so neon, and I love it, and I don't have a lot of neon acrylic yarn like that, so I was like, this needs to come home with me. It's coming home with me. Okay, I have one more little brief update as far as things I've been making goes. I did make one summer top so far. I already posted a short about it. This is not my pattern. Pattern is by Viv Crochets on YouTube. And honestly though, guys, like, this is gonna slay. I still have to put the threads away, but this is gonna be great for summer. And I absolutely am obsessed with Solomon's Knot, or like the Love Stitch. I'm obsessed. I can make so many things with that, and I'm really pleased with how it turned out. It was super quick and easy. So yeah, I will be posting a lot more on here now that health-wise I am doing really good. I know I took kind of a big break off of YouTube, but I am ready to get started again and start making things and patterns and tutorials for you guys. So yeah, I hope everyone enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to check out my other videos, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.